Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bar is made? Let's dive into the fascinating world of chocolate production and uncover the secrets behind this beloved treat. From the cacao farms to your taste buds, we'll explore every step of the process. Step 1. Harvesting and preparing cacao beans. Our chocolate adventure begins in the heart of cacao plantations. Here, farmers carefully select the finest cacao beans, known for their unique flavors and quality. Once ripe, the pods are harvested and opened to reveal the precious beans inside. Did you know that it takes approximately 400 cacao beans to create just one chocolate bar? These beans undergo a fermentation process, during which the initial sour flavor transforms into the rich, complex notes that we associate with chocolate. After fermentation, the beans are dried in the sun to ensure they reach the perfect level of moisture. Once dried, the beans are transported to chocolate factories, ready to be transformed into the delicious treats we love. Step 2. Cacao beans. Arrive at the factory. After being carefully harvested and dried, the cacao beans arrive at the factories, where the real transformation begins. The first step is a thorough cleaning process. The beans, which arrive covered in remnants of drying and dust, undergo an intensive cleaning process using air systems and special filters. This step is crucial for removing any impurities or foreign particles that may have adhered. After cleaning, the beans go through sorting machines that separate the superior quality beans from those that do not meet the strict standards. This classification ensures that only the best beans continue in the process, guaranteeing a high-quality chocolate. The next step is roasting, a precise process that highlights the natural aromas and prepares the beans for grinding. The cacao beans are roasted in large rotating ovens for a period that can vary between 30 and 90 minutes, depending on the variety and desired flavor. Have you ever wondered how they manage to roast thousands of cacao beans uniformly? It's all thanks to state-of-the-art machinery that maintains precise temperature control, regulating the heat to ensure that each batch acquires the perfect flavor profile without burning. With the beans now clean and roasted, they are ready for the next steps on the road to producing the delicious chocolate we all enjoy. Step 3. Grinding and preparing cocoa liquor. Once the cacao beans are clean and roasted, it's time to move on to the next crucial step: grinding and preparing the cocoa liquor. Here, the beans pass through powerful mills that grind them into a thick paste known as cocoa liquor. This process is essential for releasing the natural cocoa butter and beginning to form the base of the chocolate. Precision is key, as each bean must be ground uniformly to ensure a smooth and creamy texture in the final product. Imagine that pure, freshly made cocoa liquor with its intense chocolate aroma. It's mouthwatering just thinking about it. This phase is one of the most important, as it ensures that the mixture has the right consistency and that the resulting chocolate retains that rich and delicious texture we love so much. Additionally, to develop a more homogeneous texture, the cocoa paste is gently heated for a few minutes, just enough to start releasing its natural oils, which facilitates its mixing with other ingredients in the following steps. This heating also helps reduce acidity and refine the cacao's flavor profile, allowing the aromas to develop fully. Depending on the type of chocolate being produced, grinding can last several hours. Once we have this dense, aromatic, and perfectly prepared paste, it's ready to be refined and mixed with other ingredients. Step 4. Mixing ingredients and the secret touch. One of the best-kept secrets in making chocolate bars is what happens after the grinding and preparation of the cocoa liquor. Once the cocoa liquor is ready, it's combined with other key ingredients: sugar, milk powder, in the case of milk chocolate, and additional cocoa butter. These ingredients are mixed meticulously in large mixers, ensuring that the mixture is uniform and smooth. Here comes the real special touch. A small amount of lecithin and natural vanilla is added, ingredients that help enhance the texture and flavor of the chocolate, giving it that highly appreciated quality. This is the secret that gives chocolate its smoothness and that long-lasting flavor. Did you know? White chocolate, unlike dark or milk chocolate, doesn't contain cocoa liquor. It's made only with cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder, giving it its characteristic light color, smooth texture, and delicate flavor. The combination of vanilla and lecithin creates a perfect balance that elevates the flavor of the cocoa and rounds out the taste experience. This touch, although discreet, is one of the keys to making each bite of chocolate so satisfying and addictive. With the mixture perfectly balanced, it's time to move on to the next fundamental process, conching, where the chocolate will be worked and refined to achieve its silky texture and characteristic flavor. Step 5. Conching process. With the mixture of ingredients perfectly balanced, the next step is conching, an essential process for achieving the silky texture and unparalleled flavor of chocolate. In this stage, the chocolate mixture is stirred continuously in a machine called a conching, a process that can last from several hours to even days, depending on the desired quality. Conching not only smooths the texture, but also allows the flavors to develop fully and removes bitter or undesirable compounds. During this process, friction generates heat, which helps to release even more cocoa butter and eliminate certain compounds that could negatively affect the flavor. The result is a chocolate with a fine texture and a smoother, more balanced flavor that melts in your mouth and provides an unparalleled experience. At the end of the conching process, the chocolate reaches its ideal texture and is ready for the next phase, molding, cooling, and transport, where it will take its final shape and be prepared to be sent to all corners of the planet. Let's take a look. Step 6. Molding, cooling, and transportation. After receiving its special touch of ingredients and being perfectly mixed, the liquid chocolate is carefully poured into molds that will give it its final shape, whether it be bars, tablets, or special figures. This molding step is crucial to ensure that each piece of chocolate has a uniform thickness and perfect texture. State-of-the-art machines fill thousands of molds per hour with precision, which is simply impressive. Once molded, the chocolate passes through controlled cooling tunnels, where it solidifies uniformly at a specific temperature. This gradual cooling is essential for the chocolate to retain its shape, shine, and texture until it reaches the points of sale. When the chocolate has completely cooled and solidified, the bars are demolded and undergo a final inspection to guarantee their quality before being carefully packaged. Each packaged bar undergoes strict temperature controls so that it arrives in perfect condition at stores and supermarkets around the world. A specialized transportation system with refrigerated trucks and precise logistics allows tons of chocolate to travel from factories to points of sale, maintaining its freshness and quality at every step of the journey. Thanks to this distribution chain, you can enjoy the same delicious and well-preserved chocolate, no matter where you are. But of course, the chocolate's journey doesn't end here. There's still the most anticipated moment, opening the wrapper and savoring that delicious chocolate bar. Let's discover how it finally reaches your hands. Step 7. The final enjoyment. After being molded, cooled, and packaged with the utmost care, the chocolate is ready for the most anticipated moment, its arrival in your hands. The chocolate bars, meticulously packaged, arrive at stores and supermarkets around the world, waiting to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. Every time you open a bar, you experience the result of a meticulous process that guarantees consistent quality and an unparalleled flavor, no matter where you are. From the selection of cacao beans on plantations to molding and packaging, every step is designed to offer you a product of excellence with a silky texture and an irresistible flavor. Each bite tells the story of careful selection, cleaning, roasting, mixing, and molding that make chocolate something special. From the cacao plantations under the tropical sun to the moment you enjoy it, chocolate has been created to give you a unique and pleasurable experience. Of course, although chocolate is a delicacy that many adore, it's important to enjoy it in moderation. A balanced consumption allows you to take advantage of its benefits without compromising your well-being. Now that you know the entire process behind those delicious chocolate bars, tell us, what is your favorite type of chocolate? Leave your answer in the comments.